My name is Paula Marie Moose, and I actually found LadyBoss by scrolling through Facebook. It's when it flipped over from Tool Time to LadyBoss, like it was right at that time period. And I literally just moved 12 hours away from my husband and my family from Pennsylvania to South Carolina. And so I was utterly by myself. And I was like, this is a perfect time to really focus and work on me since I have no other distractions. So I looked at it and I was like, okay, she seems like she's like legit, no BS, very much like me. Here it is. No cookie cutter stuff. And I was like, all right, I'll give it a shot, and tried I don't even think I got the full week in of the trial. I think it was like day 3 and I was like, yep, I'm sold. So that's how I started, and I just kind of took off from there. It was just like, you just know when it's time, and it was time to work on me, and she had all the applications that I needed to have success.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Good for you. So what's changed since then?
Oh, I have lost over 40 pounds. My confidence has boosted. I'm very much more of I don't procrastinate as much. I'm like, okay, let's get it in, let's get it done, and keep moving forward. So that has really helped and really had a big transition in my life,
Yeah. What's been for you? Sounds like you've done a lot. What's been your biggest, or maybe a couple breakthrough moments?
I can't say that there's one total. It seems like there's just been many ones over time. Even right before I came, I'm not sure if it was something I saw from somebody else's post or something, but I started using the wording to myself and to others around me that the only thing that you control is your reaction to somebody else's action, whether that comes from, I learned that one of the things that I did a lot was I would stress eat, and so I learned, like something would happen and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go eat this, and then I'm like, no, because I have total control of my reaction to their action. I have no control over their action and what they do, but I have total control over what I do.
So true.
Yeah, like, dude, it's like,
yeah, you take back power.
Yeah, it's my power. You have no more control over me.
So there's a lot of ladies out there, and I talk to them all the time, that haven't made that commitment, and they don't know if LadyBoss is right for them. So what do you say to someone that's in that place and needs it like you needed it and hasn't jumped?
I was going to use the analogy of, you can only stand and dip your foot in the pool for so long. It might feel like 103 degrees and you keep just dipping your toe. That's not going to cool you off. Sometimes you just got to take that leap. It's not the easiest thing to do. It's the scariest thing to do, especially to step into the unknown, because you're unwilling to make that change when that is the greatest change, and that is one thing I've learned over the years, that, when God, the universe, whatever your higher power is, wants you to move in that direction, they will put up all the obstacles and to make you uncomfortable for you to make that change. So, my girlfriend and I, she started this hashtag, Do It Afraid. And that is one of the best hashtags ever. Because it is, you just do it. It's scary, it's the unknown, but it is if you don't know, you don't, if you don't try it, you don't know.
I love that. So what's been the most fun about all this?
The most fun is seeing all my sisters, and the energy, just the hype and the energy of this weekend. I was here last year too, and I mean, it's just such a whirlwind of love and compassion, and just everybody just rocks it, no matter what stage they are in their progress, from beginner to end, everybody just comes together and just loves on each other. And that is the most amazing thing, to have so many women do that. I was a hairstylist, so I worked with women constantly, and I shouldn't say it's not normal, but it's very unique to have so many women come together and not have not comma, but drama and chaos.